Guys, today I'm super excited to give you a quick look at a great and frankly really useful piece of software. This is a data recovery tool from a company called Tenoshare, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make videos on lifestyle, all things tech, and if that is your bag, then please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, I have no doubt that we've either had or that we will no doubt get that gut-wrenching feeling of when we've actually deleted some important files and then we've emptied the recycle bin or the trash can, whatever you want to call it, only to have that heart-sinking moment knowing that we've deleted some very important files. Now, I'm definitely crazy about backing data up. I've got a LaCie rated external drive that's backed up on Time Machine and all the rest of it. But you know what? Sometimes we just can't do that. Sometimes, we either haven't got the resources to do it, we might be out and about and all we've got with us is a laptop, or we might think, okay, I'm gonna back that file up, I'm gonna do my backups and everything when I get back, and you know what, something happens and we just don't do it, we forget. So what do we do when we've deleted some very important files? And worse still, empty the trash. Welcome to 4D DIG by Tenoshare. Tenoshare sent me this software to review and to give you my honest opinion. And you know what guys, as you know, if you follow my channel and watch my videos, you will always get my honest opinion. So let's jump onto the computer and see this in action. So here we are on the desktop. As you can see here, I've got this external USB drive called Untitled. If I open that up, it's empty, no files in there whatsoever. I am going to take a spreadsheet, I'm going to take a document, and I'm also going to try, let's go for this background image that I used in a previous YouTube video. So there's 3 files there. I'm going to close that down. So in my Untitled drive, as I open it up again, I've got these 3 files. So I've got a document, I've got an Excel spreadsheet, and I've got a picture. And we can open that picture up and we can see that they're all bona fide files. So what I'm going to do is, now that they're in this directory on this drive, I'm going to simulate the fact that, let's select them all, let's move them to the bin. So I've simulated the fact that I've deleted these documents. Now I go along, here's my bin, here are the 3 documents, or the 3 files I should say, and inadvertently I empty the bin. Okay, those files are gone. Close that down, open up this external USB drive, you can see nothing on it, completely empty. Open up the trash, completely empty, or the bin as they call it now. So close that. I'm going to now start up the 4D DIG software from Tenoshare. Wants me to put my password in. And there we are. So immediately here I can see my hard drives. These are my internal hard drives, my Mac hard drive and the pre-boot area. I can see the 2 external drives I've got. I've got this RAID drive from LaCie, and I've got my Untitled drive, which is the external USB drive. So now, how do I go about getting my files back? Well, they're not in trash, as you can see. I can open trash up, it's not there. Not in the Untitled USB drive, it's not there. But what I'm going to do is I am going to click on this drive and I'm going to perform a scan. This is scanning away and lo and behold, this has found 26 files already. Now that's 26 files, considering that drive is empty. That's crazy. But more importantly, here are my files. This is my image file, it's my spreadsheet file, and here is my document. So let's let it complete its scan. We're only 12-13% complete right now, and maybe we'll speed that up to save you waiting. So there we go, scan completed. So we're just going to click on OK. So we're talking about 26 items found, so that's fair enough. Do you know what? We can restore them all. If we look across the top, we can see here that we've got all files. We've got photos, so we've got images here, and this is the image file. You've kind of got like this underscore background, which is what my file was called, and you've got one without the underscore, so I'm kind of guessing that this is the correct one. We've got no audio files, we've got no video files, but we have got documents. And again, these are kind of duplicated, but it's these two without the underscores that we're interested in. So let's go back to the all files and let's select our Word document, our Excel, and our picture to recover. So we're going to click on recover. It says here selected 3 files, 698K. Click on recover. It's going to ask me for a location. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop over to the desktop. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it 4DDIG. I'm going to click on create, and I'm going to click open, and my recovery has completed. So let's open that location up, and here I've got my 4DDIG folder. It's created another folder called Tenoshare 4DDIG, untitled, because that's the name of my USB drive. So here's my 3 files. Let's click on the Word document, open it up, and here it is. Here's my temporary script document. So guys, there you have it. In pretty much 3 easy steps, I was able to recover my files that I had on my external USB drive. I put them into the trash, emptied the trash, and 4DDIG was able to recover them. That is pretty impressive. So, a few features. 4DDIG by Tenoshare is available on Mac and PC. This software, guys, supports pretty much every file type. Documents, spreadsheets, photos, videos, audio files, you name it, you're pretty much covered. 4DDIG can also recover lost partition, and worse still, if you lose your entire system, as long as you can get access to the hard drive, get it out, mount it somewhere else, you are going to be able to recover that system as well. So that is very, very cool. And more importantly, guys, you do not need to be an IT professional to be able to use this software. 3 easy steps and boom, all my files were recovered. Now guys, we managed to get our files back with the standard scan. Now if you've got some really hard files to recover, you can switch over to the deep scan, and this really switches up the ability to find those more difficult to recover files. Guys, this is good. Don't be caught out, don't leave it till it's too late. To help you make that decision as well, I'm going to put a link in the description to where you can get a copy of 4DDIG, and also a link to where you can get 30% off the full license. And also guys, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Until then guys, thanks ever so much for watching. If you like the video, please consider smashing that like button, and please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Until the next one guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.